In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm on Walmart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check out with Affirm on Walmart's site and how to set things up in the Affirm app or on affirm.com if you prefer those routes. Let's start with the most common path, using Affirm directly at Walmart, which is one of Affirm's partner stores. Add the items you want to your Walmart cart like you normally would. When you're ready to check out, look for Affirm as a payment option. If you see it, select Affirm to continue. You'll be asked for your mobile number, so Affirm can identify your account and keep your information secure. Enter your number and continue. If this is your first time applying, you'll be prompted to create an account. This is quick and helps Affirm verify you. Next, watch for a 6-digit one-time code sent via text. Enter that code to confirm it's really you. After that, you'll see whether you're approved for the purchase. Approval can vary based on your information and the order details, and some stores offer low or even no interest promotions, so review what's shown carefully. If you prefer to start on your phone, you can also use the free Affirm app. Download it from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and enter your mobile phone number to get started. If you're new, you'll be guided to create an account. Just like before, Affirm will text you a 6-digit verification code. Enter that to verify your device. Then tell Affirm where you're shopping and how much you need for your Walmart purchase. The app will check your eligibility and let you know whether you're approved. You can do the same from a computer at affirm.com. Sign into your account or create one if this is your first time. Affirm will send a 6-digit verification code to your phone. Enter it to continue. Then share where you're shopping and the amount you need for Walmart. From there, you'll see whether you're approved for the purchase. A couple of quick tips to make this smooth: make sure your mobile number can receive texts, and that your personal details are accurate and up to date, since verification depends on them. Double check the total amount you plan to finance so it matches your Walmart order. And remember, approval and terms can differ by purchase, so take a moment to review what Affirm presents before moving forward. That's it. Now you know how to use Affirm on Walmart in the app or on affirm.com. Thanks for watching and happy checkout.